I'm Haley Overton with Cascade Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm here today at 690 Northwest Mount Washington Street in beautiful Northwest Crossing in Bend, Oregon. I'm excited to take you inside to show you this gorgeous home. As you step into this home, you're immediately greeted by tons of natural light flooding in through the front windows. This easy maintenance home would make a perfect vacation home or a year-round retreat, featuring tile counters in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, wood floors throughout, as well as a cozy fireplace. With 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom, there's plenty of separation for yourself and guests to enjoy everything this home has to offer. Enjoy morning coffee on your covered front porch or cocktails on your back patio in the afternoon. With a single car attached garage, you have tons of space for a car or extra storage for your toys. This home offers plenty of room for privacy and is just steps to all of the happenings in Northwest Crossing, including Discovery Park and Compass Park. You're also just minutes to all the trails and everything that Northwest Bend has to offer. Thanks so much for joining me at this gorgeous home in Northwest Crossing. If you feel like taking a tour of your own, feel free to give me a call.